Ever felt the frustration of a broken garage door hinge? Imagine the relief when it's fixed in no time. At A&E Emergency Garage Door Repair Kansas City, we understand that every garage door project is unique and requires personalized service. Our experienced and insured team promises secure and expert repairs, available 24/7. From bent track repairs to roller replacements, we handle it all so you don't have to risk injury. Need a new garage door installed? It's not a problem for us. We are ready to serve you. Our services also include entry keypad repairs and replacements, ensuring your security and convenience. We take pride in our work, and our customers' testimonials speak volumes about our dedication and professionalism. Timely, honest, and experienced. I highly recommend A&E Garage Doors, says one satisfied customer. Our portfolio showcases the wide range of services we offer, from remote controls to various kinds of doors and gates. For top-notch and satisfying garage door repair services in Kansas City, trust A&E Emergency Garage Door Repair. Your satisfaction is our priority.